everybody, welcome to Cold to Haven Family Farm today. We got our New Holland TC45DA, also known as Little Blue, warming up behind me here. You can see there's some snow in the building. This last snowstorm we had, the wind was blowing, I don't know, 40 plus miles an hour, and the snow was fluffy. I've never seen so much snow blow around these doors before. Crazy. So we're letting it warm up here. We got a snow blower on the back. We've done a lot of cleaning up here around the property, but there's just so much snowpack that, well, not pack, but there's just so much snow that, and it being so fluffy, in some spots trying to push it, it just is kind of going everywhere, and then in other spots the sun has hit it, and the bottom layer is starting to get kind of hard, not hard, but softer, so the plow blade wants to ride up and it won't push it clean. So I'm going to get the snow blower out here, and it's a good sized snow blower, but it's not meant to be on a 100 horsepower tractor. It's meant to be on a nice compact tractor like this. So that means I'm all decked out in my gear here. I get to be on an open station tractor and pay my dues out in the weather here. So we're going to get some footage today of snow blowing. I am going to put, sorry, got my big gloves on. I'm going to put the bucket on the front. I do have a 7.5 foot snow plow I could put on the front of this. It's actually tucked behind the tractor and the snow blower, but I'm just going to put the bucket on today in case I need to scoop or push anything. So we'll show you that after. But yeah, so let's I'm going to let the tractor warm up, throw the bucket on, and then we're going to start doing some snow blowing. Alright guys, we're done. If I sound drunk, I promise I'm not. My face is just frozen. I got Little Blue and the snowblower cleaned up best I could. Going through the creek down there, some of the snow and whatnot. You know, the water splashed up and it's kind of frozen on the machine. But it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to be putting it away here. This building isn't heated, but I wanted to clean it off a little bit so when it does warm up and start melting off, it doesn't make a huge mess inside. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the snow blowing action here. Like I said, I'm cold and frozen, covered in snow. Tried to get you some good shots. So there's Little Blue doing some snow blowing. Tired of winter already. Is it spring yet? Anyway, that's it for this video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up on the way out the door. And hey, hope to see you on the next video.